sawhorse is set up. Got the hardware box at the end, and there's the ailerons. There's the aluminum sheets that are going to be on the inboard side, on the upper and the lower surfaces. Ailerons in there. You got the ribs, curved ribs, straight ribs, push-pull tubes, and at the bottom you can see that's the leading edge. There's the wingtip. So I've got the slats off on the crate on this side, and I just stored them over here. But yeah, gonna set this guy up, hopefully get a tripod like I mentioned, and be able to take some more videos, some kind of more project videos. So yeah, there's the trailing edge, leading edge at the bottom, trailing edge at the top, because I opened it upside down, but that's okay. So yeah, there's about 7 steps or so to assembling the wing, and then I think 8 or 9 steps is like putting in the push-pull tubes, the bell crank, things like that. So I'm excited to get started. 6 inches here, these little sheets, and there's 4 of them. 2 of them are obviously, well, not obvious maybe, but 2 of them have shorter lengths because those are the flat underneath the wing. Those are going to be the bottom sections, and then you have a little bit longer ones for the upper camber of the wing. And so I'm going to mark starting at a 1/4 inch in and a 1/4 inch in, and I'm going to do there's probably going to be about 4. I think I've seen some guys do 5 on the pictures in the CD rivets across here. I'll probably just do 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably do 4, and then it says every 3 to 4 inches down the whole entire length. I'm going to pre-drill all 4 of these that way, and you're going to use stainless steel rivets where this bottom portion and top portion actually go into the wing spar, and then this is going to go into the first 2 ribs, the inboard ribs. This one's going to be braced with there's a long and a short brace that are going to go into they're going to brace in between, and then this is where the measurement's going to start. For every 12 inches out, you're going to have another rib, and so there's actually 15 ribs total, including these 2. So 13 other ribs, and to the wingtip. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and just going to mark with the Sharpie and pre-drill. All right, 18 holes down the side, spaced every 3.5 inches. I did 3.5 inches, and I did 4 at the end right there. All right, so pretty straightforward. Just mark a little dot, 1/4 inch from the sides. And not sure if I'm going to drill, probably drill 1 first and then use it as a template to mark the others and then drill those. That's probably what I'll do, rather than just try to drill through all of them. Alright, these are the 2 types of rivets you're going to use for putting the sheets on. I've got 260 SS44 rivets. Those are stainless steel rivets. And then 120 AA42. Now they look like this. So the one on the right is the aluminum rivet. It's smaller. Stainless steel rivet's the one on the left. That's the one that's going to go into the spar. The aluminum rivets on the right, those are going to go into the ribs. These 2 ribs for the sheet. So you got to make sure you're using the right ones for that. Holes are drilled. 1/8 inch holes for the rivets. And again, like I said, there's 2 types. We got the stainless steel and the aluminum. Aluminums will be in here like so. Make sure it can actually go in here. Yeah, so that'll go in there. You just have to kind of work it a little bit. And then you see why I need a tripod so bad. Stainless steel. So there they are. All the holes are drilled. And now I'm going to mark and drill the second underside bottom sheet, and then we'll do the top sheets and get ready to install it. I think before I install these things, I might tape off the gussets. My daughter Kate's going to help me, right, Kate?
Hi.
She's going to help me tape the gussets on the underside of the wing and then on top of the wing, and then when we install, it'll be less to have to get under the ribs to tape those gussets. So thanks for watching. One more thing I had to do is buy a new rivet gun. So I bought this WorkPro one, and unfortunately it's not a single-handed rivet gun. You really got to use 2 hands to get in there, but it's going to last longer. The other one literally lasted and then through the tail section, and then it started to go out. So I'm glad I got another one. That's the 4 attachments. It's the 1/8 inch attachment.